So you now say good evening. Oh, you now tell me good evening.
We're gonna play one match and I go here.
You know you're not a manners, you're rude, you know.
Yeah, but I can't work with your energy and I don't want to get upset.
What kind of energy me I work with? What kind of energy me I have? Answer me. Do I have a bad energy right now? Right now you see me dancing, right? When somebody a dance, what that mean? That don't mean them have a good energy.
What up, Strat?
You know I feel that energy, you know I feel this. Rose, why is it so hard for you to get some good energy like what I have? No, you fake it right now, you know.
And what? I was trying to
you have to really feel it. The good energy, you really have to just feel it and make it feel natural.
What up, Strat? And some Rosealee.
You see that naturalness, that's it.
What up, Strat, and some Rosealee, Strat. Rosealee, Strat.
Naturalness, that's it. Naturalness, look at that.
Rosealee, Strat.
No, let me try a thing with already, man. Now.
I can say the fact that him think him funny upset me. Guys, one rose I catch a speed. Guys, double chat. Guys, double chat, double. Come on, chat. Guys, put some on the double, guys. I like to watch one
this is a new one me I try catch.
But
this is a new one me I try catch.
Focus team.
We still go and catch them. No worry, yeah.
Focus team, guys. Remember, we have nuggets.
So catch them. So catch them. Alright. Alright, I don't know.
Alright, Misty, drop your gloves.
What the match I deal with? What have gloves though?
Drop your gloves, Misty.
We have gloves.
Drop your gloves, Misty.
We have gloves. Alright, you I'm a shooter. We're not on the gloves.
Alright, guys, put on the gloves and shoot. No roses.
We're not on the gloves. Here we go now. I love for shoes, said we.
Midnight, come on, guys.
I love for shoes, said we, my team.
Shoot on the gloves, chat. Come on, chat. Shoot on the gloves.
Midnight. Snipe.
Shoot on the gloves.
Snipe. 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 We want a snipe, dog. We need a snipe, dog. Yo, my shooters them. Here where I say, I won game. Rosealee now win the game and cut. See, I be gloves, them I get over there now. We have gloves.
Click on the gloves and shoot.
You have gloves?
Guys, go by the gloves. I don't know who asked her for her opinion. Like, if you don't like me, girl, leave.
Yo, we don't have no gloves.
We don't have too much time on a great one wise person told me. Like, you come here, you go on. Jesus Christ.
Snipe my team. We need a wheel.
Guys, you look at snipe chat.
Snipe.
Snipe chat.
Snipe. Snipe. More class, you get where?
Good enough. Can nobody not ask her about her opinion?
One for them energy they will share give off me when I win.
I love you.